in this repositioning of the PSL.
Orlando Pirates, you know, and I felt that sometimes we stress too much, and if we want to play in the high level and to be ambitious again for the title, for the Champions League, we need to have more serenity.
The most important thing, the performance of the team, and it's we expect that this when we start the games, the first few games, it will be difficult a little bit, but I'm confident about the player and the result will come.
15 goals scored across 7 matches at the weekend. The Betway Premiership is back with the bang. Let us know what were your highlights from the weekend using that hashtag #SSFanbase on social media. There's so much to unpack, from the results to the transfer news, both from coaches as well as the respective players. We kick things off with the defending champions, Escotini Skamamizela, Orlando Pirates 2-0 winners over debutants Milford FC. They are continuing from where they left off last season. Frank, good evening and welcome to the show.
Ake sibingelele sisilindi sibingelele ezweni. Sibonga sinika uNkulunkulu udumo owenze kwenzeka ukuthi siphinde sibuye kunye season sisaphila. Sikuthathi kancane lokho. Ya bese singena endabeni yasesigodini ngiyabingelela futhi kubingelela bathi triple champion. Ya ngichampion okungekho mnandi lokho kuye akavela bewese. Umdlalo omuhle usaqhubeka sisilindi bekukuhle kakhulu esigodini sold out sibonga abalandeli ukuthi nanoma ithikithi belithe ukujumpa from 60 rand to 100 rand but uyalibona uthando lwebhola ukuthi likhuphukile bekugcwele ibhola belihle kakhulu. So into engithanda ukuyicacisa nje singamabhakaniya kule season ngicabanga izinto zidlula kakhulu. Asifuni iligi, asifuni M1080, asifuni iCarling. Ungayifuna kanjani into engakuwe? Already lezi izinto engizibalayo zingakithi. So okwethu ukuthi nje siyibambe singasayidedeli. So into esiyifunayo sifuna istar. Lihle kakhulu ibhola lika coach wethu, siyambonga ulethe ibhola elihle and abaningi kade bethi bahambile omfukeni. Kuphuma okunye ngene okunye. So we are happy ukubona abafana abanjengabo Khositsile. Yes. Ungene kahle umfana, sibongela abafana abanjengabo Denison dala behlele ebhenjini but uyabona ukuthi i-pre-season bavusile abo Redopane babheke. Into engisho sisilindi kule season ibhakaniya nebhakaniya alibe ne-buying stand yalo. Kule season ngisasho sigeza ngesobho sesula ngenyama, i-toothpick yethu ayisila ugodo, toothpick ngethambo. Uzoba mnandi ngempela ezweni. So siyabonga nje bonke okwenzeke eOrlando. Njengamanje siqale kahle, siqale ngewin. So iMilford i-team i-strong le team. Mawungacheck ukuthi besijethisa ushaya amagoli mhlambe awu6 more than kuyaphezulu, but what happened? Scored 2. Nale 2 boniti bekudlala. Ihle kakhulu iMilford abanga give up, sithi nje siyaba welcome ku Betway. Zisazokhala kusazoba mnandi ezweni, kusazonuka inyama ezweni, kusazobraywa shilo sakusaseka.
Goals coming from Ozwinapolis as well as Thabang Moremi and the defending champions. All 3 points at the Orlando Amstel Arena. Scheme, we're talking transfer news. Obviously, you are starting life without your star player, Relebhile Mofokeng. What have you made, of your movement in the transfer markets?
Thank you, Lindy. Orlando Pirates, since you are coaching Latsama, or to promote our Fanabanyani. Lenner promoter foreign Ratsama is offer Vanya, local level of Pirates, Lumau, Ronald too much youngsters. And then it support the Pirates that they must give the youngsters a chance to play football. Because if you don't give the chance by such trauma, local level, Mufugani left Pirates. And then we bring the new players and we thank the coach when he started standing up with the player that was playing last year. And next second half, we bring our new players to adjust, but you must know Lindy, we have a new song at the arena. But Lou is still coming. The man is still in the house when he come will do that. But Pirates yesterday, Lindy, they play on Saturday, they play well, and the support come early. The money to the ticket will buy it.
Yeah.
Because everything go up. The t-shirt and really well Adidas. You can see I'm beautiful because of Adidas. But let's support the team. Team play well. And I was happy when Apollo scored the goal. He do number 23 to show to miss our Grootman. That's for the of the game. The Grootman was the all for us. It was not for Sundowns. Our heart was painful. But he scored the goals. He got to the supporters. He showed number 23. But Pirates play well. Moremi play well. And our goalkeeper starting to do clean sheet. It's number 1 now. We don't want to, when the league going to finish, people complain, say, hey, why did he get a goalkeeper of the season? But you can see, start from 9.
Yeah.
For our Makelwane, they scored them. Morales 1-0. But Lindy, we'll support the boys winning draw. All the Paganas, non-profits, please be patient with the coach. We still have you guys. We know you love Mufugeni. Mufugeni left Pirates. Let's support the boys at Orlando. Give the 100%. They'll give you something for us. But if you don't support the boys, give us to Lindy, Bapela. Let's go about Trenya, but once and always, we win 2-0 and then we still come in. This league, Lindy, first game sold out. Or South Africa, the angry for football. Everywhere Paris play, Lindy. Look Saturday, a lot of sold out, Saluti.
Thank you, Skimmy. Are we going to see the Viking roll at Escotini?
Yeah. Lindy, you're going to see the Viking roll at Escotini. And Lindy, let's remind the viewers and the supporters that maybe they forgot. 2010, all parents win the league, and then Spain win the World Cup. 2026, and then 2010, when we win the league, Spain win the World Cup. The following year, Paris defend the league. So 2026, Spain win the World Cup.
World Cup, yeah.
Paris win the league. So Lindy, we are about to defend our title. We are going to defend this title for Betway Premiership, Lindy. This is what I can give to our fans and supporters at home, that we are going to defend. Yesterday we started very well. Remember last season we lost at home at Godini, beaten by Skukuni. But yesterday Milford came to the party and they played in Milford.
Yeah.
If you see yesterday, you can see that this team is just promoted from the playoffs. They played very well, but we managed. The most important thing is 3 points and to win the game at home, because these points and the goals, we need them at the end.
Lindy.
What did you make of Milford?
Yeah, Lindy, let's not forget, which Pirates is just a name. So what I can advise, what I want to encourage Milford, the way they played. It's not easy for a newly promoted team, Izodala with a defending champion at home. It's support being Gagananda.
Yes.
So yasinda into there. So but now Coach Pupuma he needs to focus and check the positives that they've done in that game. They had chances. They did try to have, despite the lose, but Bonababa Zamili Utibaba created chances. But the game for me now, it was heavy for them. So the way they played, Amayama Timba are going to Bawal. So what I can advise is, they must not, they need to relax. The game of Kala, and obviously mistakes will happen. But the way they played, it shows good they are moving forward, and there are teams that they're going to play with, and Bazo are winner. So it's just Djibouti, they were overwhelmed the crowd, and they sold out. Escotini is not easy. So, but for them, Coach Pupuma, please focus and motivate those boys. They are a good team.
Yep. All right, we've got Ujabu as well as Vox joining us virtually. Gents, welcome back to the show. What did you make of yesterday's performance? And just talk us through your overview of the signings that you've made.
Greetings, Lindy, and welcome back as well, and greetings to the panel. Lindy, I think one will also want to reflect on the earlier discussions that you had about the league, the 30th anniversary of our PSL, everything that happened there. I think to me what is important is the introduction of the DTC structure. If you can check, majority of players that are playing for Bafana Bafana, most of them were produced by that particular program. So I'm saying big up to the PSL. But over and above that, if you take most of the players that are, currently trading overseas, majority of them as well, are from that particular structure. So to me, I'm saying I think PSL got it right there. And they should continue, Slindi, because that structure is. And then maybe to transfers, I think it's about process Orlando Pirates supporters and perhaps the country at large to finally agree that Mofokeng has left. But then what do we do after the departure of Mofokeng? We keep on, supporting other players that are there. Because, the likes of Abu Mofokeng now, they started somewhere. So the ones that are currently playing now, I'm actually saying let's support them. And I think what is important now is for, the Orlando Pirates to be quite serious about the defense of the league title. Because honestly speaking, I think there's no champion. We're starting. So we need to move on as a team and as supporters. But we need to move on because this will not. So as early as next Saturday, there's a top 8. We need to defend that way. It's important. But I'm quite excited that we've also won this. If you can remember, Sislindi, in the previous season, the first game I think we lost against Sipuku. And subsequent to that, we also lost against Mapokalans in Britain. So this is a good start for me, for Orlando Pirates to actually submit, his toes play in as early as the first game of the league. But over and above that, I think I was not impressed, Sislindi, with the exit of from last season. So with the acquisition of these new players, the crop of these new players, I'm expecting Coach Wadu, because he does have an experience now, to at least push us to the semi-finals of CAF. And it's quite exciting now because, the star is not far, it's just here in Kloropop. We can just take a bicycle and fetch that particular star. So,
Thank you so much, Jabu Box. A quick one before we go on to our first ad break.
Greetings everyone, the panel, and you, Sislin, and then happy anniversary for the looking at the game of yesterday, Sislindi, this season we are calling you Sislindi because we are showing the respect. The only thing that did at Pirates, it started by winning two goals. At least we didn't consider anything, which is something that you see you always have a problem each and every day. But today the boys played very well. And then I wanted to add what Coach Mutoka said. Coach Mutoka said, you love one another. You see, when you might see me talking today, and then tomorrow you might not see me. And I don't want to prolong these talkings. One thing that I can say, all teams, I've seen most of them, they are ready for this season. The league has started. Number one is whoever is someone there. I saw him mention the name. Now, we are here to make sure that we are going to defend the cups that we have. The coach didn't change anything. The only thing that has changed at Pirates is they've left, and then we get another good players. You're still going to see these Lindwe. Thank you very much, Lindwe. Have a good, wonderful night. Thank you very much. Enjoy.
Thank you so much, Vox. We've got a few posts here online. Mahamata Rob says, what a good start from Pirates, Coastal Nation, and all Limpopo teams. Hashtag SS Fanbase. Continue chatting to us online using that hashtag. We'll see you after this. 36-37 campaign got off to an impressive start for Amakhosi following a 3-1 victory over debutants Kruger United. Just like last season, They started with a win this time around. They're also continuing like last season. Mervin. Oh, yes, Quinda.
Thank you very much, Elinda. It's a good start for Gauteng teams. Pirates win 20. They win 3-1. So no more going through a lot. Yeah, you know what? What is the name of zone? Is already forget that is what is the name number 1442 for machine. So what is the Missouri? But this F16 the league.
Already, Quinda.
Yes.
After round one.
You know what? Forget the Chiefs the number one. Forget the Chiefs in the number one. We win 3-1. So we are number one. Yeah, we are cruising as a we're cruising.
Okay.
Hey, we're cruising for next year because the cruising is here now, and we're gonna keep always supporting our coach. No matter what, we are losing or win or draw, but we're gonna keep supporting our coach.
Okay.
Thank you very much, Linda.
Thank you, Quinda. Are you cruising? After round one, Asithi, and it's niggas 5-6 games Yana.
Lindy, we're not going to pressurize our team. We are one. It's still early. At least we collected this 3 points. But just want to highlight one of our boys, Mfundo. Kulia team Liana, he was a very influential our distributor. So I think Mfana alone, I bambela because of if you check I'm a pass 43, I enjoy Wheeler Payan. With 11, I figure would direct final third. So come back on with Mfundo, we are cool Mfan. Cool. Now with the cruise, we are not pressurizing you, we're gonna support you all the way. Kosi for life, thank you.
Mervin, new season, new coach for Amakosi.
Sislindi wa go dumedise go dumisela barati ba fan base ka ofela go gae. Guys, fan base is back every Sunday. You must keep on watching fan base. Fan base is back. Again, Lindu Egere, Barati le bategi ba Kaizer Chiefs ka ofela. Ba for to keep it up supporting the big team like Kaizer Chiefs, especially branch from Trigo Bramgatana, Tigran branch. Guys, keep it up supporting big team like Kaizer Chiefs. And then coming back to the game Lindy yesterday, boys they are cruising. They are cruising. They are playing very good football. The football that we need to see this season. How last season we struggling. Coach see this coach to the cruise who introduced new boys Bartman who is really more now cruiser nicely the way Kaizer Chiefs they need also time to one fair or no they must talk with that guy Miguel sorry we fight with Miguel and Miguel pick up Kaizer Chiefs know is strong.
Yeah.
We need 2 teams in the PSL, one by one. If they can give around the parrot tomorrow. The following next week, I think it's next month, Sundowns. And then coming back to the game, if you guys go middle of the park, the boys are playing very good football with Mfundo and then Rofu. And then our boys create a lot of chances. And to us, 40 minutes, 45 minutes, relax. But they think we're going to after 1-0.
Yeah.
And then and Rofu equalizer. Then and second half, coach introducing Duba. The way they play this guy, come on, Berenyaga. Mutawari kutuba ababa is a striker. Ababa is a winger. I'm telling you, those 2 teams this season, I'm telling you, I'm telling you, Chiefs, we are number one. We are not scared to number one. We are number one. Go PSL. We win 3-1, Mawan.
The big winners this weekend.
Yeah, and then the way the boys they are playing into everyone at the Chiefs, they are happy.
very happy with the offer of the Gagona. Now I wish you have another Julep, Papa, the offer of Gagona. Even other thing, I was at the stadium yesterday, Arena. I was watching all the parade with Milford. Those guys from Milford, they're playing very good football.
They do.
Those number 10, number 8, number 4. They're playing very good football. And but hey, go on to Adibu, go Scotty. And other thing, Elor getting take him was not good. Lando per support them. But I like to go to me every time. Police over, but again, do shed about Telagame. They are full inside. What was the ticket? Yes, they have ticket, but inside they are full. Baba now can. Yeah, we are beautiful, Baba. Yeah, we are beautiful, Baba. Even we are beautiful. They're wearing new things, Baba. But Lindy, we are very happy PSL's back and Finbase is back. Thank you, Lindy.
Thank you, Mervyn. Kosi, happy when I got his signings salon.
Na akusobe happy. Akusobe happy kisa nyaga ba sign more player to compete. To compete le mo cafe, le runa re nyaga cafe. Asibona fele wa nyaka. Re nyaga le runa. But na I'm happy ka performance ya Kaizer Chiefs yesterday. And then re thomile mo re feditse ona last season re sa kwa pele. Re tsule mo number 3 last season. So this season Rinyaka number 2, number 2, number 1 Rinyaka. Are we limrao? Are reapili? Are we limrao? So, Moka's Chiefs Mumrao. I wish Babenya and Miguelica Monke, but to Miss Molisani Mola Abapaleli Lipinica. Then I won't go to Kaizer Chiefs. Kaizer Chiefs in Nati, and we are really cruising nicely. Ligia Garunai. More arguably morale. League Kaizer Chiefs this season.
Sislindiwe Tingbongile Chuba. Yes, Sislindiwe, yesterday's Dale Uguti, it's a continuation from last season, but last season, Abu Coach Bebenga introduced my player as way to, like for instance, Ethan Simbone towards the end of the season. Why Begakil all along Bengam Thalis Izolo, he was an outstanding player, Yeneno Batman. So it shows Guti somewhere, somehow, now I'm a player, but they were not utilizing them in a correct way. So I hope Guti, the current coach Uta Cruz, Uzo Cruz and a team, I introduce our player. Remember, we still have the new Adolf Hitler, La Pesi Swing. Yes, who says and then Uvele Paibanga Kizolo, and then Pati Nelanga, Lele Ngatil Zolenda Ngazi. But I'm appealing to Kaizer Chiefs, please. If Bangaskitelo given, Mrs. Lindy, given a minang samtanda, which if Bangaskitela and given. And the last list is Linding Pelukuzindaba, Uskiming Yamuzuguti, Uti, Tigiti 100 Randy. Yes, you will afford, but EPSN must come up with a price, Yamatigi. You can't keep on changing good late team, more than another team, it's 100 Rand. Kunabantabanga afford a matigi, Kunabantaba afford. EPSL is in the standard, the ticket is 60 Rand. So that if petrol pays with this lindi, kuna bantabanga kona muntu hamba ne family onke stadium. I will patala. Kabanga money it's 500 just a matigi. So I think mele beze ne rule guti. If a ticket is 60 Rand, everyone is 60 Rand. Thank you, sir.
Yes, Lord.
And just to add, Sislinde, in terms of the ticketing, I am Orlando Pirates support. I can't run away from that. But from 60 to 100, Sislinde, from 650 seasonal ticket to 1.3. Chivenda chiri wamba livendo rilwe alwane budzuro, meaning that I can criticize, but I want us to go somewhere betterly. Sislindi, the experience is not nice. How many minutes does it take to go to Amstel Arena? At the traffic itself, the gate itself, we only use 2 gates to enter the Amstel Arena. Sometimes I might be privileged enough, but it does not suit those supporters that we are saying the whole entire facilities of South Africa, they must be filled with the supporters. Supporters must come to the stadium. Another thing, Sisland, is one. The changing of the ticket merchandise, it's more favoring youth, and then we are throwing away all our veterans because everything is being sold online again. So that's one of the kind of the thing that we are facing, which is the crisis. Sometimes we must not overthrow everything and then say that we are introducing the new thing because our generation, we need to be internet-wise. I can buy 5 tickets because I got email. But how about someone that is 65? Are we then saying 50 plus, go to the TV, and then you go to the stadium? I think I need to concur with my brother here. We can do better as NSL because what's the use of filling Amstel Arena and then 5 supporters go and attend Amazulu and Richards Bay?
Yeah.
We must have a direction, Cicely.
All right, interesting points raised in studio. Usuthu finished 4th last season. They got off